what is going on in Imo State. Now, before we go into the main video, there is something I want to let you know, and it's very important you understand this background. And I want to start by telling you that Obinze Military Barrack, 34 Artillery Brigade, is located in Owerri West Local Government Area along the Owerri-Port Harcourt Expressway. Now, the distance from Ozobodo, where this incident happened, to Obinze Military Barrack is roughly 10 minutes. I mean, 10 minutes. 10 minutes. Now, if the military is going with siren, they want to come there, they can roughly reach there 5 to 6 minutes because it's just expressway that they are going to follow. Now, these people did not swiftly respond to what happened when the terrorists attack the area. So that is what I want you to have in your heart, in your mind, before we go into the main video. So stay with me.
Now, and I'm not getting dog now like this now. They put him in this small boy now. They put him in this small boy. They put him in this small boy now. Just that now, in the Fulani, I got for 50. No, this close to Jamel. Close to Jamel. Gal call him Mado Juru na Jamel. Close to Jamel there now. Gal call him Mado Juru there. Just imagine all the security. What are they doing now? Yesterday here. Because no one will need to get there now. Damana him get there now. Just imagine that in the Fulani Batalane Zobudu. Just imagine. Gal call him Mado Juru there now. Right? As I'm talking to you. Say everybody there for that.
Evening of Thursday, May 14, 2026 is today. Good evening, everyone. Every slave that is comfortable in captivity can never see freedom. Most Nigerians are comfortable in captivity and there is no freedom in view. I was watching the video of the youth leader in Plateau State yesterday, and for the first time in a while now, tears dropped out of my eyes. Like I felt what I've never felt before. There was a statement he made that you are going to watch right now. He said that in the year 2001, that time he was a little boy, his father was looking for where to hide him because of the jihadists who want to conquer Nigeria. And today, his father is dead. He himself now is looking for where to hide his children because of people who want to conquer Nigeria. When I listen to that, a lot of people may have different translation or decoding to that statement, but that statement sends a very sharp red signal to my bone marrow. This is what he said.
In 2001, my father was looking for a way to hide me. Now I'm looking for a way to hide my family. It's too much and we cannot bear it anymore. Mr. Governor, sir, we have our youth who have stepped out in self-defense. And they have been arrested and they are in the custody of the Operation Enduring Peace. We ask for your swift intervention for justice. They were arrested in the front of their houses. They didn't go anywhere to attack. Rather, in practicing their constitutional right, they were also arrested. It is troubling and we are very, very angry, Mr. Governor. Something should be done. Mr. Governor, sir, farmlands have been destroyed massively in Rakum, Kasa, and Kok villages in a large scale. We ask Humanitarian Minister for a swift intervention and compensation.
So, from Plateau State to Benue to Borno to Enugu, down to Imo State. Yesterday, you must have heard what happened. Many students were trapped under the attack of the Fulani. They call the herdsmen, but they are terrorists. And if there is any name that you could use that is more sophisticated than terrorists, that is whom they are. But is it a surprise thing to you? For me, it's not a surprise. It's not a surprise thing. These people does not just attack. They spend years studying you. I didn't say months. Listen, they spent years studying you. If they come to your domain, they will not first start attacking. No, they don't. That is not their modus operandi. They don't operate like that. If they come into your terrain, the first thing they do is to start studying your terrain. If there is no commercial motorcyclists popularly called Okada, they will start doing Okada. If there is no people going to farm, they will start going to farm. They will build so many, horse in the farm, like they start living there. All they are doing is studying your environment. And once that is done, they will enter into the society, study the people there. If there is a strong man in the city, they will first of all take the strong man out. It's a strategy. So once you see attack beginning, meaning they are now ready, they have, they have done everything. They have surveyed the environment and they know that they will succeed. They will start pulling out the bullets. This is what is actually going on. Now, for you to understand what I'm saying, this thing happened exactly 13 months today in Imo State. Take a listen.
Ọkwa ihe na-arezikwe n'ụzọ ọkpala n'ụzọ ọkpala ha na-agbazikwe moto direct n'ụzọ ọkpala the worst nwa agba ha eburu passengers bụ ime ọhịa kwa ihe na-emezikwa n'ọkpala nke ahụ today being 7th of March ka nke a na-eme life in ọkpala. Ihite stroke ọkpala. All the home motosi Owerri, Lagos, Onitsha, everybody packed. All of them packed. No motor is coming, no motor is going. Thank you.
Now, I'm showing you so many things that are going on in Imo State now. There is also a video we filmed some months ago in Mbandagba, where we exposed so many insecurity going on there, oil complaints there, and how these Fulani militia have stationed, positioned, and planning to take over those areas. Now, I want you to just pay attention and understand that everything going on, all these things going on, we have talked about it. We have talked about what we come, and what you are seeing today should not be a surprise. Take a listen to this video again.
Yesterday, this video was filmed in Mbandagba. Mbandagba is in Obuta 2. Local government area in Imo State, and this is beside the Ada Farm. Ada Farm is one of the biggest oil palm plantation in Africa. It's situated in Imo State. Now, I want to tell you the tragedy in this community, what they are going through, about the insecurity. Now, this is not what we hear in the news. We are telling you what we were able to get on ground from the people. We went through these areas. You can see that it seems insecurity in Imo State is diverse. Some part could be connected to the mineral resources being explored from the state. Because how can you imagine, or how can you interpret it, how can you explain this? That in this community where you see oil and gas, if you can see the tankers lining up, you can see everything going on, then the people from this community can't access their farm freely because of the Fulani militias in their community. And again, that was about 5 days ago. The Nigerian police force intercepted another set of people bringing ammunition to their, to their colleagues who are already stationed in these bushes. They were intercepted, they were arrested. As I speak to you now, I don't know if they have been released or they have been charged to court, but police have taken hold of the ammunition and arrested all these Fulani militias. So they are terrorizing this community. They are not allowing them to access their farms well. Why the oil and gas exploration is going, billions of naira upon billions is being taken away from this community. And another phase of tragedy in this community is laughable anyway. This community have never seen life for getting to 30 years. No electricity in this community. Now, the question is this: what is actually going on? Why is it that people are going through a lot of things? Anybody that have especially gold, iron ore, natural gas in cubics, once you have all these things in your community, you are in trouble. Because sometimes we are too emotional not to understand the causes of insecurity in Southeast. We are too emotional just to point out to only one set of people. Yes, we understand that politicians have been one way or the other sponsoring insecurity, and we have confirmed that to be true. You can see so many governors and ex-governors like Okocha, has confirmed that they, the politicians, are the major reasons why insecurity persists in the Southeast. They are not hiding it. But in another angle, I am still telling you that all these mineral resources in Imo State is part of the reason why we still have more and more insecurity still going on up till now. Now, somebody should answer this question. Is there any reason why insecurity should persist in Imo State today? The political, tension seems to be going down, though the war is still on. This side is still fighting this side, killing people. In last 4 years, all the whole APC, APC chairman, woman, all those people, they were all killed. And Okocha man said this is the politics of hatred that is causing insecurity. But this is another phase of it. That Fulani militia has taken over this farm, while the military is guiding the oil facility in other side. So the communities have no place to go. Even in covering all these videos, there were a lot of restrictions. So a lot of things are going on in Imo State, and let nobody deceive you, okay? Let nobody who have not gone to these places to confirm things deceive you. Don't let somebody who is far away from where these things are happening deceive you. Don't let someone who have never come to interview the villagers to deceive you that this is happening. Okay, if you really want to know what is actually going on, go to the villagers and interview them. Ask them questions. If you have mind, go to their farm. Go and cover all these things so that you truly know what is going on. And this is what is actually going on. That people from this community no longer access their farms freely because they are being kidnapped, killed, raped, a lot of things, a lot of inhuman treatment is being meted on them. This is actually unacceptable. Anyway, take a look at the whole oil rings, the gas, depot, how they are taking it, doing everything as we cover it in this video.
That's it. A lot of things happening here. So many things. I'll show why you go here and Dara. I'm a honey. I'm Dara. Oh, Hannah. I'm going to go job. I'm going to go video. You see why you video in this place, Mulu? This is what they're doing to us, Mr. Okocha. You can see tankers a lot. So many work is going on here. So many work. This is the other farm I'm telling you about. This is the other farm. This is the other farm I'm telling you about. This is the fuel station. You can see. This is the fuel station. You can see it. This is the fuel station. You can see the fire. You can see. This is the other farm. The other farm I'm telling you about. It's very, very far. Kilometer is far, very far. This is the fuel station. You can see. This is our farmland where we used to farm. So many places. So many land for farm. We are using to farm. You can see. See the rig, the new one, they just mount. Mr. Okocha. This one is rig 7. This one is rig 7. Rig 7. Okay. Mr. Okocha. This one is nice, rig 3. This one I'm showing you now is rig 3. See all these ones. going on. This is the woman in Agba, Mbala, in Agba community, Agba community. Agba community. This is what I'm talking about. This one now, League 5. Okocha. This one is League 5. As you can see, this place is League 5. League 5. This place now. This place now is League 5. League 5. This place now. League 5. Eh? This one is, they call this place Angowan.
First place,
Okay, the first place they discover oil is the first place, 2007, Angowan. This is the